May good news tayo dito mga ka-idol. Pag-usapan natin ang Japan's Acquisition Technology and Logistics Agency ay nagpapalabas ng video ng Subaru Bell UH-2 ng Japan Self-Defense Force o tinatawag itong JGSDF. Makikita ang mga feature na ito sa video na ito, ang helicopter. Panoorin natin ang video na ito.
Shin-uchi. In the era of the samurai, this word was used to refer to only the greatest of swords among countless others forged by master swordsmiths. In 1973, Japan began licensed production of the UH-1H. In 1993, proprietary technology brought about the new and improved UH-1J with better aerodynamic characteristics and a high-powered engine. And now, in 2021, by imbuing the legendary helicopter with the power of Japan's craftsmanship, a new aircraft that surpasses all other successors has been born. Introducing the UH-2. The UH-2 is based on the Subaru Bell 412 EPX, a collaborative development between Japan and the United States of America. The Subaru Bell 412 EPX received type certification from the Federal Aviation Administration and has become known for its safety and reliability worldwide. It features 4 blades, a twin-pack turboshaft engine, on top of a state-of-the-art integrated glass cockpit, and its gearbox also boasts a new 30-minute dry run capability. Subaru's proprietary laser peening technology has been applied to improve mast hub integration. The maximum gross weight has also been raised to 12,200 pounds. It has evolved into the superlative aircraft out of all the successors to the UH-1H, which gained a reputation for its dependability as a military helicopter. Increasing the maximum gross weight allows for the suspension or transport of far greater loads than ever before. The helicopter is capable of stable flight even when suspending heavy loads. Large openings and a spacious cabin allow for flexible transport capabilities, such as the accommodation of 2 reconnaissance motorcycles, as well as their operators, in order to deploy them quickly into operation. Regardless of wind or waves, the helicopter is capable of stable landing on seagoing vessels. The UH-2 is also made to be transportable by cargo aircraft. As a utility helicopter, on top of being able to transport troops and cargo, it's also capable of deploying troops by parachute or rappelling ropes. All this amounts to an aircraft that can dependably accomplish any mission. But for a utility helicopter, not every job takes place on sunny days. Whether on rough terrain, in darkness, or in heavy snow, the UH-2 will always accomplish its mission. As a utility helicopter, its capabilities cover not only military missions, but also HADR activities. Japan has experienced countless disasters throughout its history. We've learned from these experiences to respond effectively to a variety of disaster situations. By quickly dispatching a UH-2 equipped with an airborne video camera, we're able to assess the situation in real time in the field. The UH-1H is active in many countries around the world. The mission equipment and ground support equipment for it and its successors can be repurposed for the UH-2. Self-defense capabilities are also an indispensable feature in order to conduct missions safely. While sharing a platform with civilian helicopters, the UH-2 also can be equipped with warning systems, chaffs, and flares, vital to use in military roles. In 2021, a helicopter founded on tradition and imbued with the power of Japan's craftsmanship has reached the next stage in its evolution. In the near future, this helicopter, a perfect embodiment of Shin-uchi, will take to the skies near you to get the mission accomplished.
Kung naalala nyo na ang commanding general ng Philippine Army na si General Romeo Brawner Jr. ay magpipirma para makuha ang dalawa na helicopter na ang Fuji Bell UH-1 Super Huey helicopter at ang pinalabas na video na Subaru Bell UH-2 helicopter. Napakalaking tulong na talaga ito para sa Philippine Army upang maliit na lang ang mga casualty ng mga kasunduluan natin dahil magamit na ang mga helicopter na ito sa troop transfer at pwede din itong pang airlift medical sa mga sundalo na nasusugatan sa bakbakan. At dito lang tayo magtatapos sa video na ito. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, hit mo na yung like button at subscribe na kayo sa mga bagong video natin. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa susunod ulit, ito ang West Philippines Military News.